let's talk about in this video letting loose and letting go, because sometimes we're trying to upkeep a sort of idea inside of our minds. We're trying to upkeep a notion that we have about something or somebody or or anything, an aspect of our own lives, an activity we do, a like what we claim, anything that causes you to lose energy because you're upkeeping something, even if that's your own mood. Sometimes we upkeep our own moods. We force ourselves to be happy and smile. But to that I say, no. Let yourself fall. Let yourself go. Stop fucking, you know what I mean? And sorry, excuse my language, this is a spiritual video, but seriously, I'm so passionate about this. I want everyone on this planet to be happy and healthy. And the way to do this is plop yourself on that bed and feel the ground catch you. And feel everything along the way. That's the metaphor for today. Plopping on the bed in starfish position. That's what I want you to do, except spiritually. I want you to let yourself go, and you'll find that there is a ground to support you. Let yourself fall, let yourself go, and you'll find that there is, in fact, a floor. There's a rock bottom. There's some kind of pressure coming your way as you're falling, whatever. But feel everything, even if you have emptiness, even if it's like torture. Persevere, because it's not going to go anywhere on its own. It will mess with your mind and skew your perception of things in your real world and things that have to do with social and everything, if you don't face it and heal yourself. So let yourself go completely, and you'll find that though things are not necessarily perfect after you let yourself go, things are real now. You will be able to see things as they are, and you'll maybe see it's not so bad, or maybe it is bad, or maybe it's both. It's not bad, but you're confused and you think it is. So my real message here, in all honesty, is just let yourself go. Spiritually, physically, let yourself go. Feel every emotion that comes your way. Feel every confusion. Feel every head twisting energy in your mind. Feel every ache and pain of your body. Stop fighting it so much. And this is truly, I believe, the superior spiritual path. It's to feel it to heal it, when there is healing when healing should be done. So, and that's always whenever you have a wound, whether that's physical or spiritual. So, I don't know. That's all I wanted to say, man. Let yourself go. Feel it to heal it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.